Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna go Bigfoot mode on the ceiling and get this thing yanked out, broken out, pried out, cut out, down on the ground. So I'm gonna open up the whole ceiling today. I'm hoping it will take me an hour or less. So y'all enjoy the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section. And then as soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content from this project and past projects. They're all awesome.
All right, everybody, that's going to be a wrap for today. Just finished up the ceilings. Now I'm going to assess the electrical on how I want to redo that and assess how I want to do the ceilings. And then once I get done with the electrical, I'll probably go and start on the floor and wait to do the ceilings until a later date. We're just going to start brainstorming that. So stay tuned for some more videos on the remodel of our master bedroom, which will continue on into our master suite bathroom. And that's going to do it. Like, share, and subscribe. Comments in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.